Hi and welcome. My name is Kevin Ebsworth and I'm going to be talking about the 5-step plan. Now, if you're new to internet marketing and you haven't got a clue where to start, then this is the ideal plan to set up. Okay, as long as you follow these guidelines, you'll be making money within no time. Okay, so the first step, we'll just talk about the first step. Okay, step 1. You need to set up an email account. Okay, so you've got to do the basics. You have to set up an email account. You have to set up an Aweber autoresponder. Now, if you're not familiar what an autoresponder is, okay, I'm going to be putting links and everything underneath this video just to help you be able to create all of these. Okay, so I'm going to make everything as simple as possible. Okay, so these are going to be very short videos. So I'm going to be going through each step and telling you more about it. So you set up an email account, so like an Outlook account or a Gmail, okay, because you won't be able to set up anything else without this. You set up an Aweber account, okay. The reason why I choose Aweber is because it is the most versatile product that can be used on the market. It can be integrated with almost any platform possible, okay. You'll understand later on. You have to set up a PayPal account, okay? So in order to accept payment online, PayPal is free to set up, and the majority of affiliate marketers and internet marketers use PayPal as well. There is other methods once you start getting into the big leagues, but the main one is PayPal. Okay, after that, you need to set up a JVZoo account. Now, if you don't understand what JVZoo is, don't worry about it just yet. You just need to set up an account, okay? As well as a JVZoo account, you need to set up a Warrior Plus account and a ClickBank account, okay? All of these are affiliate platforms that you can go and find products to promote if they allow you to. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is you need to be able to pick a niche. Yeah, so you need to find a great niche that is on demand. And what do I mean by niche? I mean, say for instance, you want to learn how to make money online. That is a niche. Then you've got sub niches within there. It's like how to make money with Facebook, how to make money with Twitter. So you can see how the niches work. It's almost like a tree and they branch off. So you need to find a niche that is in high demand. And then sign up to a MRR or a PLR store, okay? And what do I mean by this is MRR stands for Master Resale Rights and PLR stands for Private Label Rights. A reason why I say this is because of the fact that you may have all these ideas in your head, but it's easier to promote somebody else's product to start off with. So if you sign up to one of their sites, it's going to cost you probably about $200 to get yourself into the store. You can pay a monthly subscription if you wanted to pay a monthly subscription, but I would say just pay for a lifetime membership because then you don't have to worry about monthly subscription. I know it's cheaper to start off with monthly subscriptions, but when you pay lifetime, it's just a one-off payment and you don't have to worry about anything as well. Okay, now these sites intend to keep up to date by putting in new products each month. Okay, every week or every month they put loads more products in there, so you can go in there, you can find exactly what you want to promote within that niche, and they're open to a whole load of world of niches. Okay, so once you've gone and done that, you need to make a lead page with a free offer. Okay, now a lot of you are probably wondering what is a lead page. Now there's times where you've gone onto a website and all of a sudden you see this little pop-up or a page where it says, to gain access to this secret formula, please enter your email here and you'll have instant access straight away. They're called lead pages. Okay, so once you've given your email, which your autoresponder will have, you can then follow up. So after that, you advertise it, and you advertise it on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, etc, etc. Okay, because these are the main big platforms, social media sites. So this is where you start spending a little bit of money. The Aweber is, if you start off, you don't need to spend massive amount until your email list grows. So they start charging you as of when your email list grows. I think it's $19 to start off with, and that's each month. Your email accounts is fine. Right, so what's next after that? So you move on to step 3. Step 3 is an email sequence. So you have to set up an email sequence. Reason why you need to set up an email sequence is because keep them in the loop. At the end of the day, they're going to be your customers. So what you need to do is you need to start building a relationship with them. And what better way to do it than an email follow-up? And you just have a sequence. So you set it up in your email autoresponder. You can set it up 3 days apart from each other, and it will send it out at a specific time in a specific time zone to these people, you know, on a specific date. After that, you need to make sure that you have a website funnel at least 4 levels deep. Reason for this is when the customers go and buy, they got their credit card out, they want to buy the next bit. So say for instance, to buy the front end product, they then buy an OTO, which stands for one-time offer. Okay, and then they have an OTO 2, which is another one-time offer, and then an OTO 3, which is then another one-time offer. And then you can follow up with a high ticket product at the end if you want to. Once you've done that, is make sure that all the products complement each other. So once you've signed up to a PLR site, an MRR site, you've got to make sure that if you're promoting how to make money or anything like this, is that you have like the follow-up course. So say for instance, the front end product was learn how to do Facebook advertising, PDF documents, have a few extra bonuses. The same with how to do Twitter, how to make money with Twitter, how to make money with Pinterest. They have like all the PDFs, and you have like bonuses there with it. And then on the OTOs, you can have like the video courses to them. And then after the video courses, you can have extra, you know, like training that you can give them. So it could be like extra trainings that you can find on the PLR products. So you just got to make sure that they all complement each other. They're all within the same niche. The step 4 is you need to apply for high ticket products. Okay, so once you start getting used to this, start applying for high ticket products. Okay, so you have to spend money to make money. Go into a group where they privatize it all. You have to pay into affiliation. You have to pay into a big company where you can promote their high ticket products. The reason for this is because of the fact that you're not used to having high ticket products yourself. So, and the PLR products aren't high ticket products. They're good products that you can sell them for about $9, $27, $47, maybe $97. But high ticket products, you're talking about $1,999 or so, and more. Okay, so then you need to start doing webinars yourself. Once you start making money, people are going to wonder how you make money. So then you start creating webinars, and by doing that, by creating webinars, what then happens is that you open the doorway to be able to sell to people face to face, which is a lot easier because they can put a face to the name and all the emails, so they can see that you're a human being. So selling to a human being is a lot easier than trying to sell it to them over an email. And step 5 is create a membership plan. Okay, so once you create a membership plan, you can drive your customers onto the membership site where you can give them exclusive training, because by this point here, you can start creating your own products, which is on step 5 here. You can start creating your very own products, and you can show people what you do to make money. So you can show them exactly all the steps. And then you can sell your high ticket workshops. So then what you can do is, say for instance, you can have a workshop in your local area or where your customers can drive to. You can set up a workshop around there in certain areas around where you live, and you can start promoting, make sure you sell the tickets to that, and they're high ticket products. So you can sell a workshop ticket product for about $900 plus up to $5,000 for that. And then after that, you can start up a seminar. open up maybe a hall somewhere or hire somewhere where you can start selling tickets out, so people can come and see you, and you can get some of these other people that you've been promoting their products to actually come and speak at your seminar. So, you know, you'll get somebody to come and film it all, and you can sell that as a high ticket product. So they didn't come to a seminar, and what happens is they can purchase like the DVD package, or it can be on your membership website where they can access all the videos. So that's a 5-step plan. Okay, I've just mapped it all out here for you. What I'll do is I will write it all out on a PDF document. I'll put some links in there to take you exactly to the page. So what I'll do is I'll put all this down into a PDF document, and I'm going to put it down below this video. I hope this helped you guys. Okay, there is an easy option. I'm not going to come up with it just yet. I will come up with it within a new video, but I hope you understand there is a bit of work to put in at the beginning. Just like a rocket ship, when it goes to take off, it uses 90% of the fuel to lift up into space, and it uses the extra 10% to push itself towards the moon. So this is the same as a business plan. You need to do 90% of the work straight away. You know, start with the momentum and making sure that you keep the momentum up, and then when you get to that point, all it needs is that extra 10% to push, and then it just goes on to a whole new level. Okay, so that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the 5-step plan. As I said, I'm going to put it into a PDF document, and you're going to have clickable links in there to show you how to get like your MRR products and your PLR products as well. I would suggest to become a lifetime member because it's a lot easier. That is paying a monthly membership. The same with Aweber autoresponder. I'll put the link into that as well. Don't need to go overboard, just set it up, and you know, you can start creating. I'll go through how to show you how to set up an autoresponder. Make sure you pick a good niche, okay, and then, you know, set up a Facebook account, set up a Twitter account, set up a Google Plus account, set up a YouTube account as well, because making videos, you can do promotional videos to promote to your membership site or to your lead capture page. So everything's all mapped out for you, okay guys, and I hope you find this interesting. So that's it from me today, and I'll see you, hopefully I'll see you soon on another video. Bye for now.